September month is meant for tax audit. Every businessman and chartered accountants in practice are very in a hurry to complete the tax audit reports by this month. That means they have to submit the tax audit report, both signed by the businessman as well as the chartered accountant in practice. They need to submit the tax audit reports for the financial year 2023-24 by this September 2024. But the point is, there are some few businessmen who are still not knowing whether the tax audit is applicable for them or not for the financial year 23-24. In today's video, our intention is to make those businessmen who are still under a dilemma whether we need to submit their tax audit reports or not. So this is Abhijith Acharya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is TaxLok with Abhijith Acharya. So without wasting further time, we'll move to the screen so that in which we have tried to explain in brief so that you people know in a better way whether the tax audit is applicable for you people or not for the financial year 23-24. So without wasting single minute, we'll move to the screen. So please be tuned till the end of this video. First, we'll tell what you mean by the tax, in which section it has been clearly mentioned whether tax audit is applicable for you people or not. It has been mentioned under 44 AB of our Income Tax Act, it is 1961. It clearly says the following three categories of persons who need to file their income tax returns. First category, we have categorized it into three main segments. The first category is specified professionals. Specified professionals mean the same: chartered accountants in practice, lawyers in the practice, and advocates the same, and medical practitioners in practice. They need to file their income tax return, not income tax return. They need to submit their tax audit reports for the financial year 23-24 if their gross receipt of the 23-24 exceeds 50 lakh. If it is 50 lakh, then no need to submit their tax audit reports. If it is exceeding 50 lakh, then only you need to submit their tax audit reports. Second thing, the business category people. If your turnover in the sense the sales, aggregate sales in the 23-24 exceeds 1 crore in the 23-24, then you need to submit your income tax audit reports. But Finance Act 2021, it provided one relief for the business people. That means amendment that has been came to one amendment. It says that if your the turnover limit should be enhanced from 1 crore to 10 crore if the following two conditions are very satisfied. It's very important. Both the conditions should be satisfied if you want to get if the turnover wants to be the 10 crore. Otherwise, it would have been only 1 crore. But if the following two conditions are satisfied, then it is the 10 crore. The 1 crore has been enhanced to 10 crore. Okay. The first point is, if your cash receipt out of the total receipt is up to 5% of the entire total receipts of in your business transaction. That means they are focusing on the cashless economy. If that means 95% of your transactions are made through non-cash transactions are carrying on in your business, then that is okay. The second point is the same thing applicable for cash payments. Also, if your cash payments is more than up to 5% of your entire payments for the financial year 2024, then the limit should be enhanced from 1 crore to 10 crore. The limit should be seen from 1 crore to 10 crore. Okay, I hope you are understanding the point. Both conditions should be satisfied in order to check the limit of 10 crore. Okay, otherwise it should be 1 crore only. That means if you are transacting 10% in a cash in a previous year 2024, then it suggests that your turnover limit should be checked 1 crore. If it is exceeding 1 crore, then you need to submit your tax audit reports. Audit is mandated. The last category is means special category. It means there are some people, some businessmen or professionals who are claiming 44AD and 44ADA. What do you mean 44AD? 44ADA will come to the next in the following segment of the video. They are claiming lower income than specified in the respective section 44AD and 44ADA. Then they need to submit their tax audit reports. And also it says the net taxable income. NTI means net taxable income is exceeding basic exemption limit. Okay, it also says like that. So these three categories are need to submit their tax audit reports. There are some non-applicability for this section. There says that person who is claiming for 4480, missed the 4480A section also in the note. If you are claiming 4480 and 4480A and its turnover is up to 2 crore, business turnover is up to 2 crore, then you are not in a position to submit. You need not to submit your tax audit reports. The specified date means you should submit your tax audit report before 1 month from the due date of filing your income tax return. The due date of filing for the tax audit people is 31st October. Just to 1 month before the 31st October means 30th September. On or before 30th September, you need to submit the tax audit reports. Okay. Then the penalties. Or what if I am not submitting the tax audit report, even if it is applicable for me? Income Tax Act clearly says that as per section 271B, if the SSE fails to get the books of accounts audited, then the following lower would be leviable, penalized. The penalty will be leviable for the SSE. The lower would be the 0.5% of the turnover of the gross receipt. Let's say if your 2 crore is a gross receipt, then 0.5% of the 2 crore or 1,50,000, whichever is lower, will be penalized, will be leviable for you as a penalty. Okay, so be conscious whether it is applicable for you. Then you need to contact the chartered accountants in practice. Definitely they would file your income tax return. As I suggested, I would just go through the 4480 and 4480A section, because we have just seen that if you claim the lower income than 4480 and 4480, then also you need to submit your tax audit report. I will just wrap up with the explanations. So this is a presumptive taxation. If you don't want to submit your tax audit reports, they have given some some relief for the businessman as well as the as well as the professionals. It is the first 4480 says that it is applicable for only for business. It is only applicable if your turnover is up to 2 crore. It is enhanced to 3 crore in the financial year 2024. It is the latest amendment. 3 crore. Up to 3 crore, you need not to submit your tax audit report. But the restriction is if your cash receipt is up to 5% of your total receipt. If it is not, then the limit should be 2 crore. Up to 2 crore, you need not to submit your tax audit report. But if your cash receipt is for up to 5% of the total receipt, then the limit would be seen as 3 crore. That means if your turnover, let's say 2.5 crore, then you are making 0% cash transaction. That is, everything is non-cash based. Then you need not to submit your tax audit reports because the limit is 3 crore. Because your turnover is only 2.5 crore. I hope you are understanding. But you need to declare some percentage of your turnover. That is, your turnover into 80% of your the turnover should be declared as the income. But if you are making the non-cash transactions, then the turnover, whatever turnover you are realizing through the non-cash transaction, that into 6%. For example, I will narrate in a simple manner. Your turnover is 1 crore. 50 lakh is through 50 lakh is from the cash item. 50 lakh is from the NEFTA. Okay, on 50 lakh into 8% you have to declare, plus 50 lakh into 6% you have to declare under presumptive taxation under 4480. Simplified. Super. Next, 4480. It is also applicable for, it is also a type of relief given for the professionals. 4480 is for businessmen. 4480 is for the professionals. Okay. In these sections, it is only applicable if your gross receipt is less than or equal to 50 lakh. That is, up to 50 lakh only this provision is applicable. But that limit is being enhanced to 75 lakh if your cash receipt is up to 5% of your total receipt. I hope you are understanding. Let's my example is 60 lakh my turnover. The 60 lakh is my gross receipt. If I am transacting non-cash transaction, okay, then the limit is to be seen as 75 lakh. I am eligible for this 4480 section. Okay, if I am transacting non-cash transactions more than 5%, then the cash transaction more than 5%, then the limit should be seen as 50 lakh only. In that case, in my example, 65 lakh is my gross receipt. In that case, I need to get my books of accounts audited. Then to what extent I need to declare? In the above 4480, I have specified that into 8% into 6% as the case may be. In here, I have to declare 50% of the gross receipt. Let's say, for example, my turnover is 65 lakh as I suggested. The limit should be seen as 75 lakh because my cash receipt is up to 5% only. Then that case 65 का 5% 50% होता है 65% into 50%, 65 lakh into 50% I need to declare as my income, taxable income. On that you need to calculate. Okay, if you are declaring lower than the limit, lower than the percentage of these two, then also you need to submit your tax audit reports as I have suggested over here. So these are the brief explanation whether the tax audit is applicable for you. I hope this screen has made a wonderful revision for you people. Right, so this is the brief explanations of whether the tax audit is applicable for you people or not. Or if you are a businessman, if you're a professionals, then you need to kindly check the this video entirely and go through the same. If you have any doubt, and please let me know in the comment box. We are able to try. We'll approach you for your each and every comments in the section. So I hope this video has made a wonderful wonderful interest in you. If you like the video, please press the like button and share the video to the n number of users so that they are also will be benefited for that. And please, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel TaxLok with C Abhijith Acharya, and also press the bell icon. Signing off, C Abhijith Acharya. Have a nice day.